Alright, in today's video we are going to be learning about the phototransistor, and we are going to be using this one that only has 2 pins. One is connected to the collector and the other the emitter. So it is similar to a transistor, but you only have 2 in this case for this type, because it has an internal photodiode instead of that third pin connecting to a base like a typical transistor. But what this does is, as you shine light on it, the light will control the flow of the current between the collector and the emitter. So let's go ahead and look at our circuit here. We have our 9-volt source. Here is our phototransistor, and we'll have a resistor and our LED. And so what's going to happen, what we expect to see, is that as I take my flashlight and I shine more light on the phototransistor, the more light going into the more light going into the photodiode inside of here, the brighter this LED will shine. And so that's why this is called build a light activated light using a phototransistor. So the more light this sees, the more light will come on to here. And yes, we can reverse this and build a dark activated light using a phototransistor. So we can also reverse it where the less light going into this, the brighter this will be. So for now, I'm just going to show you what it looks like. Let's turn this on. As you can see right now, it's on, no glow in the LED. Now I'm going to turn this on, and as I get closer, I'm going to try to keep it, let me see. Try to keep it like isolated. Maybe it'll help you see the LED a little better. So I'm not on it right now, but as soon as I go over it, there you go, you start seeing light, or the LED illuminating, and the closer I get, the brighter the LED will get. And my flashlight is on the lowest setting, so here's the higher setting. Whoa, that's bright. You can see my LED is glowing right now. And of course, we can even get it even brighter if we were to lower the value of the resistor, right? This is a 1K ohm resistor. And so here I'm just using 9 volts going into the phototransistor, and then our 1K ohm resistor. And then the reason why I put it all the way down here is just to isolate it, so you don't think there's like any magicianry going on over here like this. I have it completely isolated. Cool. So what can you do with this? I don't know. I think of it could be useful maybe in like planting or gardening, right? You can detect the sunlight's intensity, and have that plugged into a microcontroller. And then this is just an output, right? So you can see the output goes higher when there's more light. So you could have this be I don't know, whatever you want. more output when there's more light detected. So like, high noon, 2 o'clock, when the sun is like at its highest part of the day. If you wanted an output to come on or something at some point, you could do that. Track the sun in your yard. I don't know. There's a lot of purposes. Just try to think of this as more of a input output, and it's not necessarily binary like 1 or 0. You could definitely get you're gonna get an analog signal out of this, right? Because there's different intensities. It's not LED on or LED off. It's a very fluctuating output based on the input. So, alright, that's where I'm going to end this video. And soon after, we'll be build a dark activated light using the phototransistor. So, really easily we can manipulate this circuit and make it dark activated instead of light activated. Cool. Thanks for checking out this video.